channel. If you're new here, my name is Siobhan and welcome. I'd love it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials, my giveaway videos, or my travel/Dallas vlogs. So let's go ahead and just point out the elephant in the room right now. I am in a different location. I'm quarantined at my boyfriend's house. So I'm still trying to figure out the lighting situation. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to actually be predominantly filming at. So I hope this sofa is not going to bother you while you're watching this eyeshadow tutorial, because I really enjoyed doing this look and I wanted to bring greens back. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Also, the lashes that I paired with this look are the Olivia's. All the information will be listed down below of all the makeup used in order to create this look, and also where you can purchase your lashes, your 3D lashes from. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial.